Now, historically defined by port logistics and tourism, Mombasa is now positioning itself as a hub for agricultural mechanization. Now, CFAO Kenya has officially launched a 5th full-service showroom in Mombasa. Now, with Kenya's food security agenda hanging on a transition from manual labor to smart technology, the move is aimed at powering flagship projects like Galana Kulalu and Mwache Dam irrigation scheme.
So why mechanization? We know today that the government, both at the national level and at the county level, are focused on agriculture. So we become now a key player in terms of bringing in mechanization, and we know that mechanization is the foundation of productivity and is central to achieving Kenya's food security ambitions.
Mechanization as a driver of food security is no longer optional. It is the foundation of food security, farmer productivity, and economic resilience.
Mechanized agriculture is key to building a more resilient county, one that creates jobs, strengthens rural livelihoods, and enhancing food security.